Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trial CapCut PC Pro. So go to the menu and go back to homepage. Then to trial it, just like invite your friends here to try it, I meant. And then here you can copy invite link. As you can see, it says days of free pro you've got, friends you've invited. You can get up to 70 days of free pro by inviting 10 friends. So if you have 10 friends, which who has 10 friends, but you can invite your friend and then they can log in using that link. They can basically download it and then you'll get 7 days of free pro. But if you want those 70 days, you gotta invite 10 friends. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in this comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.